and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a Nasty Gal haul. Now I've never tried anything from Nasty Gal and I'm also not sure if I'm pronouncing it right. Is it Nasty or Nasty Gal? Either way, this is the first time I'm reviewing some stuff from them and I was really surprised when I actually ordered the stuff. The prices are really affordable. Like for some reason I had in my head that Nasty Gal was a little bit more of kind of a middle ground company in terms of their price range, but I was really surprised and their range is amazing. Like I love funky jeans and they definitely cooperated with that. Like they just have so many fun styles and colours and I just had to throw together a video and see what the fit is like. So I have quite the stack to get through, but they are all really fun colours. We've got even some green in there because she didn't realise I like green quite a lot. And also a lot of cool details, like you can see some with a lot of seams going on. So I'm just going to start at the top and we'll get reviewing, but as usual everything will be linked down below if you'd like to check any of the items out and the sizes that I wear. So I'm pretty sure I got all of these in a UK size 8, but I will put some of my measurements down below as well just in case it's useful. But let's get to it. So I thought it would be easier with this type of kind of looser fit jeans to just put them on, because I think when I showed them up on camera off of a body, they just look huge and there's so much fabric, it doesn't do them any justice. So I've just thrown the first pair on and overall, not bad, but not amazing. So I love the style of these. So you can see they've got kind of seams going all over the legs here, which I love. But this is their size 8. Now, the waist could definitely be a bit better. They do have 0 stretch, so obviously around my hips and butt, I don't think I could go for a size 6 because that's already quite a nice fit and I want to be able to move in them, but the waist is a little on the big side. But you know, I like wearing belts, so with a cute belt you can still make them look nice, and they do fit very nice on my legs. So you know, the waist is a bit big, but a belt would fix that, so they are quite cute. The other thing I thought to mention is really nice, they've got button-up flies. I find these a lot better than zips because having quite wide hips, if I pull a zip up and they're high-waisted, sometimes that zip does not stay up. So I have to do all the tricks with like paper clips and elastics to try and keep my flies up all the time. Otherwise, you know, it's not a great look having the flies down all the time. But I must say, they are really cute, but I'm 5'5". Now, I don't know if you can see the length of these, but I'm very much on my tiptoes right now, and they're just skimming the floor on my tiptoes. So, you know, I would need to wear some killer boots or killer heels with these in order to make them work. But you could shorten them, or you could roll them up, or if you're a bit taller than me, these will probably look fabulous. But I love the colour of the denim, and I love the seams, but for me personally, the fit just isn't great. Like, I think I can find a better fit mum jean elsewhere, but not a bad start, but let's jump to the next. Okay, so this next pair I think is going to be one of my favourites. They just feel like a better fit. So round my thighs, even though there's no stretch, nowhere is too tight, but also nowhere is like overly loose. And I love the white and blue denim. I think these are such a fun design, but still very flattering. You know, sometimes I find like panel jeans, the stitching can be all in the wrong places and it doesn't do any favours for us slightly curvier gals, but this pair I'm obsessed with and they fit really nice. So this is a zip up, but they feel like a really good fit. They're not super tight on my waist, but they're not super loose, so you could get away with these without a belt. Only thing is they are on the long side for me, but because of the splits, you know, wearing them with a nice pair of heels or boots is actually going to work really well. Like, I think they're the perfect length to wear with heels. So, no, I love these. I think these are such a look. Like, with the right little crop top and shoes, these can just be dressed up or down for pretty much any occasion, really. No, I love these ones. These ones are a yes. These are just so much fun. And they're not stretchy, but they're not super restrictive either. Like, these just fit good. So no, I really rate these ones. Nasty Gal got it right with these. But funny enough, that split on the bottom of them that goes round like a shoe or a boot, if I just finished it off where the split starts, they'd probably be the perfect length jean for me. But, you know, that's just part of being 5'5". But at least, you know, you could, so if you wanted to make them the perfect length, you could just shorten them where the split is, or you just enjoy the split and wear some crazy heels with them that actually get shown off. So no, I love these. So this is the next pair of jeans that I'm going to show you guys, and obviously I am obsessed with these. Like the colour, the fit, I think they are so fun, and to be honest, the fit is actually really good. So minus all the lovely seam detailing, they're not a bad fit on the waist. Like, they could be better, but these are non-stretchy jeans, so I never expect a perfect fit because they would literally have to be tailored for me to fit me with no stretch. And these are really nice, actually. I really don't mind this fit. And with a nice belt, I think that will just really finish the look. And I think if I'm going to wear these with a green top, having the belt to kind of break up the green will look really nice. And I'm thinking white wedges and like a white bag could just look really nice with this look, because they are a little bit long, but only a tiny bit. Compared to the others, they're not bad at all. So I think I could get away with these with trainers or with heels. Like, I do really like these, and they've got the seams going all the way down the front, but then they also have the seams going down the back, and I just love how they fit. Like, they've really thought about the construction of these. Like, they actually fit my curves really nicely, which isn't the most common. So no, I'm really chuffed with these. I think these are really fun, and I love that all their jeans have this kind of little leather patch. Like, I know it's all it is a brand, it's just like the tag, but I just really like seeing them. I don't know why. I love it on my shorts and my jeans, but that's the only issue. If you wear a belt, it has to go over the top of it, so it does hide it, but it's just a fun little piece of detailing. I think it makes them look that little bit fancier, even though, you know, I don't want to criticize Nasty Gal and say it's not fancy, but you know what I mean. Anyway, I will jump to the next pair. So this is the next pair of jeans. Now, these are really fun. One leg is all white and one leg is all black. And I know that doesn't go with my green top, so I apologize, but I just honestly couldn't be bothered to change it, so I thought I would just go with it. But these jeans, I just thought they were really fun, but I will just add that the fit was not as nice as the other ones, so I had to really wiggle to get these on. So these are more of like a, kind of like a straight leg, skinny fit kind of cut. And there's no stretch in these either, so they are like the mum jeans in terms of just being solid denim, and to get them over my hips was quite the wiggle dance, but they got on, and then once they're on, the waist is huge. So it's a bit of a tricky one, this one. You can't size down because there would be no way I could get them on, and then the waist is still quite big, so they can't make the waist lovely and tiny because then I can't get it over my hips. But there are ways to just make the fit a bit better. So these ones aren't as nice as the previous pairs, but I think a belt could still work them. So, you know, with a belt around them, I think it would look fine. Because like from the front, they don't look too big, so it's fine. But I'm also not sure how I feel about one leg each colour. Like, I loved the white and denim blue ones, but I think the contrast between black and white is just that little bit more extreme, isn't it? So let me know what you think, because I'm not sure on these. There's something about them like that I'm just not like clicking with. But the length of them is perfect. So these you could wear with like Vans or trainers or heels, but they don't have any excess length. So these are like bang on my perfect length, maybe minus an inch. So they're kind of a little bit of a crop style, but because they are like tapered inwards, it looks fine. But yeah, that's this pair. So let me know what you think, but I'm gonna jump to the next now. So this next pair I bought for one reason and one reason only, and that's for the back. So I fell in love with these star kind of design jeans, and I saw them years ago on Free People, I think, and then they never ever had my size in stock, and I've always wanted jeans with stars on my butt. I don't know where this obsession came from, it's just something I really want for some reason, and I thought black and white would look really cool, but as we saw with the last jeans, for some reason I'm just not feeling it in denim. But these are kind of cool. I just wish the stars were a little bit closer together. Like, I feel like they're a bit on the outside, and they almost look like Mickey Mouse hands. Like, I know they're not, but because he wears like the white gloves, I just feel like at first glance it looks like his hand. But the actual fit of them isn't amazing, to be honest. So they're just a little bit big everywhere, so I could potentially go for a size 6 in these, I think, because the waist is huge, but then they're also like a little bit big on my hips, so I could maybe size down 1 and just see if they fit. But you know, I only bought them because of the stars. They are too long for me, they are just a little bit big everywhere. So, I don't know. Let me know what you think about the stars. I think they might be a little bit too crazy, even for me. But the other thing I was thinking, I could cut them into shorts, but then I shouldn't be buying jeans just to cut them into shorts, especially brand new jeans. You know, I should thrift them or something like that. So I don't know, they are fun. But, let me know what you think about these. I need your guys' help in deciding whether to keep these. But before you decide on these, I'll show you the next pair, because they also have stars on the butt. So I feel like these ones might be more of a winner. So these are more subtle, so they just have like denim, like frayed stars. So it's a little bit more subtle, but still really fun. And they have the seams that I love going down the back. So maybe I'm gonna throw these on and we'll see how they compete, because I feel like I should only have one pair of jeans with stars on my arse. Like, I suppose there's a limit there, maybe. Anyway, let me know what you think about these. I'll throw these ones on. So these ones fit so amazingly. Like these and then the two-tone white and blue ones, they just are on another level to the others. They're so comfortable. Like there's no stretch in these, but they fit me perfectly. Like even the waist on these is really nice. So they're not super tight to my waist, but they're tight enough to not need a belt, which is kind of the style I like, because then I have the option of wearing a belt, but it's not required. And how cool are the stars? Like, I know it's crazy, but they fit so nice. I think they're really flattering on my hips and butt. Like, normally wide leg jeans you got to be a bit careful with, but getting the right pair that actually fit, they can be really, you know, flattering on. So I think these with like a pair of heels, a nice little crop top, and it's one killer outfit. So they are a little bit long for me, but not too much so, because I would naturally wear these with heels anyway, so it kind of works. But I just love that from the front it's like, oh, she's, you know, normal, nice jeans, and then it's like, bam, all craziness at the back. So I love that. And I love the seam as well. I think it's so fun. I'm just really surprised they fit so nicely. And the thing that sold these ones to me is they're currently on sale for £15, and I'm just like, yes. These ones are a yes. And I can sit in them. There's no stretch, but they don't cut off my blood circulation either. So, no, I really like these ones. Let me know what you think. But I think these are the winners, and the black and white ones with the stars on are probably a no. But no, I love these, so yeah. And I just forgot to mention with these ones that they've got a really cool zipper. It's like really long, so it's really easy to pull up your flies. Whereas with like their other jeans, it's the normal kind of little ones. Whereas this has like a really long thing on it. So it was so easy to get them on, which it's just an extra benefit. So no, I love these ones. But yeah, that's all I got for you guys today. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Everything will be linked down below as usual, along with my social media if you'd like to follow me on there. But thank you again for watching. I really recommend giving Nasty Gal's jeans a go, because it is a little bit hit or miss, but overall they're true to size and you can get some really fun designs. Like, I'm obsessed with these, obsessed. But thank you again for watching. Like and subscribe for more, and hopefully I'll see you next week. Thanks for watching.